Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best Colgate Whitening is probably one of the most sought-after products in the oral hygiene market, promising a brighter, more confident smile. But does it live up to the hype? In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of Colgate Whitening toothpaste, exploring its key features, ingredients, and effectiveness. We'll analyze how it works to combat stains, and whether it's the right choice for your pearly whites. Let's find out. Number 5. Colgate Baking Soda and Peroxide Whitening Toothpaste. Introducing Colgate's Baking Soda and Peroxide Whitening Toothpaste. This toothpaste is designed to give you a brighter, healthier smile. It's a great addition to your daily oral care routine. This toothpaste features a unique baking soda and peroxide formula. It releases pure oxygen bubbles for a clean, fresh sensation. You'll love the way it makes your mouth feel. This toothpaste helps remove teeth stains for whiter teeth. With regular use, it will help you achieve a brighter smile. It's an effective way to enhance your teeth's natural beauty. Add this baking soda whitening toothpaste to your oral care routine to help fight cavities. It cleans deep and whitens teeth. This will help keep your teeth healthy and strong. Colgate Baking Soda and Peroxide Whitening Toothpaste removes plaque and impurities with regular brushing. It helps keep your teeth clean and free from surface stains. Use it daily for the best results. What we like. This toothpaste combines baking soda and peroxide for a unique whitening experience. It effectively removes surface stains and fights cavities. If you're looking for a toothpaste that offers a classic clean with added whitening power, this is a great choice. What people say. If you're looking for a toothpaste that delivers exceptional results in multiple areas, whitening, cavity prevention, and stain removal, then this is the product you've been searching for. The baking soda and peroxide combination gently polishes the teeth, breaking down the stains and restoring a natural, bright smile without harsh chemicals. It contains fluoride, which is scientifically proven to strengthen enamel and prevent cavities from forming. Number 4. Colgate Optic White Advanced Toothpaste 3-Pack. Introducing the Colgate Optic White Advanced Toothpaste. This pack includes 3 tubes of the advanced teeth whitening toothpaste. It's designed to give you a brighter, more confident smile. This toothpaste can remove up to 5 years of stains. It works effectively when brushing twice daily for 2 weeks. You'll notice a visible difference in the brightness of your teeth. The toothpaste features a patented whitening formula. It contains 2% hydrogen peroxide for effective stain removal. It also comes in a refreshing sparkling white mint flavor. It's an enamel-safe formula, so it's gentle on your teeth. It effectively removes stains from tea, coffee, and wine. This helps keep your teeth healthy and bright. Colgate Optic White Advanced is an anti-cavity toothpaste. It's made with fluoride to help fight cavities. Use it daily for a healthier and brighter smile. What we like. This toothpaste uses a patented formula to remove years of stains. It's enamel-safe and specifically targets tea, coffee, and wine stains. If you enjoy your daily coffee or tea and want to maintain a bright smile, this is the perfect option for you. What people say. It not only helps to keep teeth whiter, but also gradually removes stains from coffee or soft drinks. It leaves a lasting feeling of cleanliness and super fresh breath. Makes me notice how good Optic White is, as my teeth is noticeably whiter while using this. Number 3. Colgate Optic White Pro Series Whitening Toothpaste. Introducing the Colgate Optic White Pro Series. This is a whitening toothpaste designed to give you a brighter smile. With this toothpaste, you can experience visibly whiter teeth in just 3 days when used as directed. It's a quick and effective way to enhance your smile. The toothpaste features a 5% hydrogen peroxide formula. This patented formula is safe for daily use and helps to whiten your teeth effectively. It effectively removes stains from tea, coffee, and wine. This helps to keep your teeth looking clean and bright. This toothpaste pack provides deep whitening beyond surface stains. It's a great choice for a more radiant smile. It comes in a refreshing mint flavor. This makes brushing a pleasant experience while keeping your breath fresh. What we like. This toothpaste offers visibly whiter teeth in just 3 days, thanks to its 5% hydrogen peroxide formula. It also focuses on stain prevention. If you need a quick whitening boost and want to keep your smile bright, you should consider it. What people say. After using this toothpaste only 3 days, I could clearly see that they had whitened a couple of shades. This toothpaste does whiten and it leaves the teeth feeling smooth and clean. The inclusion of 5% hydrogen peroxide, a common ingredient in professional teeth whitening products, helps break down surface stains and gives teeth a brighter, whiter appearance. Number 2. Colgate Total Whitening Toothpaste, 2-pack. Introducing Colgate Total Whitening Toothpaste. This is a 2-pack of the toothpaste. It is designed to give you a healthier and whiter smile. This toothpaste offers 42% more sensitivity relief compared to regular fluoride toothpaste after 8 weeks of use. It helps to protect your teeth from sensitivity. Get 10 benefits without any compromises. It provides comprehensive oral care, ensuring your mouth stays healthy and clean. Use it to remove surface stains for a whiter and brighter smile. The toothpaste helps to enhance the natural beauty of your teeth. Enjoy the refreshing mint flavor that leaves your mouth feeling clean and your breath refreshed. It provides a long-lasting fresh feeling. The formula includes stannous fluoride and offers clinically proven antibacterial protection. It helps to fight against bacteria for a healthier mouth. What we like. This toothpaste provides sensitivity relief and offers 10 benefits for your oral health. It also includes antibacterial protection. If you have sensitive teeth and want comprehensive oral care, you should consider this. What people say. Whitens, freshens breath, and fights bacteria for 24 hours. It leaves my mouth feeling incredibly clean and fresh every time, and I've noticed a visible difference in the brightness of my teeth after consistent use. It also helps fight plaque, tartar, cavities, and bad breath. Number 1. Colgate Max Fresh Clean Mint Toothpaste, 4-pack. This is Colgate Max Fresh, designed for freshness that lasts. It's packed with mini breath strips, providing a powerful rush of cool freshness. You'll feel the difference for hours. Compared to other toothpastes, this one offers a significantly longer-lasting cool sensation. The formula is designed to keep your breath fresh and your mouth feeling clean for an extended period. It's a refreshing experience. This toothpaste does more than just freshen breath, it also helps fight cavities. The fluoride formula works to protect your teeth. Use it regularly to maintain good oral health. It also whitens your teeth by removing surface stains. Regular use will help to reveal a brighter, whiter smile. Incorporate it into your daily routine for noticeable results. Enjoy the clean mint flavor that leaves your mouth feeling refreshed. This toothpaste provides a burst of minty freshness. It's a great way to start and end your day. With its combination of benefits, this toothpaste is a great choice. It offers long-lasting freshness, cavity protection, and teeth whitening. Try it today for a healthier, fresher mouth. What we like. This toothpaste provides long-lasting fresh breath with its unique mini-strip technology. It also helps fight cavities. If you like a toothpaste that leaves your mouth feeling incredibly fresh and clean, this is the one for you. What people say. I have noticed my teeth getting whiter with use. Teeth feel clean and it foams up nicely. It's the only toothpaste that doesn't let me with an inflamed gums after use, and it's not even expensive. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.